Hi folks, this is the Colonel with you again. We're going to try a little something different today. Let me spin this around here some. Bought 10 ounces of sterling silver shot. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty sweet. What we're going to do is we're going to work with this new mold, the eagle mold. I got this double bagged here, just in case. What we want to do, we want to get 2.5 ounces here and melt it down. We're on troy ounces on the scale. Here's a 1 teaspoon. That's 8/10. 8.2. Try another one. 1.5. Try another one. 2.19. We probably only need the little spoon now. .485. Little touch here. 2.45. Take a little bit of that out of there. I don't know, can you see what I'm doing here? Right here. 2.515. Let's get us a little. Oh, keeps going over. There it is, right on 2.5. Let me bag this up and get it away from the heat. I have to find something more substantial to keep it in. What we're going to do, I'm going to try something a little different here. I don't know how this is going to work out. Let me, I'm going to heat up this mold and try to melt some of this silver down. We'll be back as soon as we get it. We got it melted, we got a pour. We'll have to see what kind of a transfer we got here. Lost a few little bubbles, they bubbled out on me. Pick them up, put them back in there. Probably ought to start the pickle pot up. I need to add a little water to it. Where's my watering cup? I don't see my cup. We'll just use this. That's close enough. Stuff does get gray. I don't know if you can see this. I'll try to show it to you. Hope I don't drop it. Gets a little gray, but that all comes out in the pickle. Oh no. We'll see. Time will tell. Hi folks. Just got this out of the pickle. I didn't get a good transfer. I don't know if you can see that. This ain't too sweet. It's all rough on the top. Didn't transfer right on the bottom. I'm gonna try it in the other mold here. See what happens. We'll be back. Well folks, it's out of the pickle. It's pretty fucking sad. It looks like a moonshot on the top, and the bottom, I'm not even sure which way to hold it so you can see the image. It doesn't look like a raised image. It almost looks like an indentation. You can't hardly make it out. I'm not going to waste any more sterling on this shit. I'm just going to melt this down and put it in a Kit Kat and forget about that. I don't know where we left off, folks. I got a phone call. But this sterling don't pour no better than the .999. Matter of fact, I like the .99 better. Look at this shit. Who the hell's going to buy that? I'm going to pour it in a Kit Kat bar before I lose too much of it. You probably won't watch one. Let me see where the camera's aimed at. Move it around there a little bit. Here we go. We'll leave the camera on this time. Hey, bullshit. Get this good and hot, then we'll go over here and melt this sterling down. Maybe we can get something out of it. I'm really disappointed, to be honest with you. That's $200 pitch to the wind. this shit go? Ah, fuck. That's not bad. Let's see. That looks like shit. Still some in the crucible. Some on the goddamn table. This is bullshit. I'm not messing with this shit no more. I'm gonna dump this the fuck out and start over. Fucking horse shit. Then you gotta pickle it and it looks like shit. Look at the top of that, folks. Look at the top of that. It looks like a fucking moonshot. Well, folks, we got the other little piece out of the pickle, and I whizzed the Kit Kat bar on the bottom just so you can see. We got 2.345. Where the rest went, I have no idea. Make that 2.4 if you round it off. Here's the Kit Kat bar with a little whiz on the bottom. Pretty nice. Didn't do the top. You can see what the difference. Here's my little piece. This is like findings and stuff that bubbled out and fell out of the crucible. I gathered them up. Let's see what it weighs. By itself, it's 0.155. So almost 2/10. Just in droppings and stuff that gets scattered around. And got 2.35 with them both on there. So that's pretty much for today, folks. I'm not going to mess with this sterling anymore. I got this whole bag of it here. I might make Kit Kat bars out of it. I don't know. We'll have to see. Have to do something with it or sell it on eBay. Okay, folks. Alice ain't here, so I'll say it for her. Goodbye, Alice.